Hello everyone. Welcome to maths class. In this video, we are going to solve few questions given in chapter test of your chapter multiplication and division of fractions. So, it's a part 1. The first question is, how many 1/4 hours are there in 7 and 1/4 hours? Total hours given 7 and 1/4. Number of 1/4 hours in 7 and 1/4 hours is equal to 7 and 1/4 divided by 1/4. Convert the mixed number into improper fraction, and in next step we need to change the division sign in multiplication sign and write down the next fraction in its reciprocal form. So 29 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 1. Here 4 comes as a denominator and 4 comes as a numerator. So we divide both the 4's by 4 and get 1. After that we multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. We get 29 upon 1, which is equal to 29. Answer: there are 29 1/4 hours in 7 and 1/4 hours. In question number 2, find the sum and product of the mixed number 2 1 upon 4 and 1 4 upon 5. What do you observe? To find sum, we need to add both the given mixed numbers. So first step is convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Here we get 9 upon 4 plus 9 upon 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. We just write down 4 multiplied by 5 as a denominator, and the first numerator should be multiplied by 5 and the next numerator should be multiplied by 4. Write down the product: 45 plus 36 upon 20, which is equal to 81 upon 20. Now convert it into mixed number. We get 4 1 upon 20. To find product, we need to multiply both the mixed numbers. Next step is same as in addition. Convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Here we need to multiply both the numerators together and both the denominators together and write down accordingly. 9 9 is 81 and 4 5 is 20. After that convert it into mixed number. We get 4 1 upon 20. In observation, we can say that both the results are same. In question number 3, Tony bought 2/5 kg of guavas. He gave 5/6 of those guavas to his sister. How many kg of guavas did Tony give to his sister? Tony bought guavas to 2 upon 5 kg. Guavas he gave 5 upon 6 of 2 upon 5 kg. Here in next step we need to convert the mixed number into improper fraction, and then we just put the multiplication mark at the place of off. After that we just see the fractions. Here we can divide 5 and 5 with 5 and write down 1. 6 is also 1 and 12 is divisible by 6, so we get 2 here. After that we just multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. we get 2 upon 1 kg, which is equal to 2 kg. So in answer we can say Tony gave 2 kg guavas to his sister. In next question, Anushka is a radio jockey at a local FM radio channel. A current number 1 song that is 4 1/5 minutes long is aired for 33 3/5 minutes during the day. How many times is the number 1 song played during the day? Here song played during the day for 33 3/5 minutes and duration of one time play is 4 1/5 minutes. Number of times song played we can find out by dividing 33 3/5 by 4 1/5. Both are mixed numbers, so the next step is to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. We get 168/5 divided by 21/5. When division sign is there, we need to change this division sign into multiplication sign in the next step, and after sign we put the fraction in its reciprocal form. So here we write down 168/5 multiplied by 5/21. Now here 5 comes as a denominator and as a numerator. So we just cut 5 with 5, write down 1, and 168 is also divisible by 21. So we divide this 21 and 168 by 21. So here 1 and here 8 comes. After that we get 8 multiplied 1 as a numerator and 1 multiplied by 1 as a denominator. So we write down 8 upon 1, which is equal to 8. In answer we can say the number 1 song played for 8 times during the day. In the next question, the backyard of Vijay's house has a square flower garden, each of whose sides is 10 2/5 meters. What is the area of the garden in square meters? So here is the garden, and length and breadth are the same. So a square shape has equal length and breadth, we know that. To find the area of a square garden, we need to multiply length and breadth. Here length is 10 2/5 meter and breadth is also same. So mixed number is there. To convert the mixed number into improper fraction, firstly convert it, and then we find that there isn't any common divisor, so we just multiply the numerator together and denominator together and write down the product, which is 2704 divided by 25. Now convert it into mixed number, that is 108 4/25 square meter. In answer we can say the area of the garden is 108 4/25 square meter. In this video we have completed 5 questions. In another one, in part 2, we will complete the given MCQs in this chapter test. Thank you and have a nice day.